Crêpes de la Chandeleur? A main dish from Canada. Serves 4. You will need 7 ingredients. Step 1. In a bowl, beat eggs. In another bowl, mix dry ingredients and add gradually to eggs. Add milk and beat until homogeneous. There should be no lumps in the mixture. Step 2. Heat 1/4 inch oil in a 8-inch skillet and fry 1/4 cup of crêpe mixture at a time, spreading the dough with the back of a spoon. Fry until golden brown. Turn crêpe over and fry other side until golden brown. If you wish to use a food processor, with paper towel mix dry ingredients in oven until ready to serve. Mix egg and milk in another bowl or your favorite dry ingredients while motor is running. Scrape bowl once or twice if necessary. Country Reports. Mixture is ready when there are no more lumps. Travel.